Problems based upon quenching theory or waiting lines. Okay, now here problems are given, so you have to find out the three things: arrival rate, service rate and traffic intensity. Arrival rate, service rate and traffic intensity, these three things you have to find out: arrival rate, service rate and traffic intensity. Depending upon these three only 11 formulas are there. If you by heart that formulas, easily you can solve any problem. So here some problem is given. What is given in a problem? In a certain petrol pump, the customer arrive according to the fusion process, which is average time is 5 minutes. What is given here? 5 minutes is given. What is given here? 5 minutes is given. So lambda you have to take. Lambda is equal to what you have to take? You have to take the lambda. Lambda is equal to how much? 1 by 5. What you have to take? 1 by 5 minutes. How many minutes are given? 5 minutes is given. What is given here? 5 minutes. Lambda is given. Then after that, after getting the lambda, better to convert into hours. How to convert into hour? 1 by 5 into 60. So this will become 1 by 5 into 60. Or this is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 60. So 60 by 5. 60 by 5. 60 by 5 is equal to lambda is equal to 12 hour. What is given? Lambda is equal to 12 hour. 1 by 5 is equal to 60. Whenever it is given in minutes, you have to write 1 by, then multiply with 60. Then you will get the hour. Next numerical value you have to find out. What is you have to find out? Next numerical value. The average time for 5 minutes before arrival. The service time in the exponential distribution mean of service means mu. Mu value is given. Mu is equal to how much given? 2 minutes. So 1 by 2, what you have to write here? Minutes you have to write. 1 by 2 is equal to minutes you have to write. So 1 by 2 into what you have to write here? 60. So how much it will be value if you solve this with the help? 30 hours per hour. 30 hours. So lambda is given and mu is given. This one is known as the mu. So first one, lambda. Lambda is equal to how much? 12 per hour. Lambda is equal to how much? 12 per hour. Next one is the mu value. Mu value is equal to how much? 30 per hour. Mu value is equal to 30 per hour, and lambda is equal to this. Lambda is given and mu is given. After getting and lambda and mu, after getting lambda and mu, next step what you have to do? Next step what you have to, you got the value of lambda, then you got the value of mu. After that, what you have to do? After finding this, you have to find out the traffic intensity. What you have to find out? TRAFFIC, traffic, INTENSITY, traffic intensity. Traffic intensity is equal to rho by lambda by mu. Rho is equal to lambda by mu. First you have to find out the traffic intensity, lambda by mu. Lambda value is equal to how much? 12, and mu value is equal to how much? 30. So this one is known as the traffic intensity, 12 by 30. This one is known as the traffic intensity. This one is known as the traffic intensity, lambda by mu. Traffic intensity is known as the lambda by mu. Then after getting these three values, first one is the lambda, second value is the mu, and third one is the traffic intensity. In every problem, these things you have to find out. First you have to find out the lambda, second you have to find out the mu, third you have to find out the traffic intensity. Only the focus thing is where you have to focus means where the minutes, whenever minutes is given, you have to write 1 by that whatever the minute is given, then multiply with 60, it will convert into hour. Whenever minutes is given, what you have to do? 1 by 2 into 60, then multiply with 60, then you will get in hour. So lambda value is given, mu value is given. Traffic intensity is equals to lambda by mu. Traffic intensity you got lambda by mu. After that, next step what you have to do? You have to find out the whatever the given in question. So he is asking to find out the first thing. He is asking to find out the average quenching length. He is asking to find out the average quenching length means LQ. He is asking to find out the LQ. Then the average number of customer in the quenching system. Average number of customer in the quenching system, that is LS. Average number of the average number of the customer in the quenching system, that is LS. Okay na, LS. Then average, then the next one is the average number of customer in the quenching system. Then average time spent by the customer in the petrol pump. Average number of time is spent in the petrol pump, that is WS. Okay na. Then after that, average waiting time by the customer in the queue. Average waiting time of the customer before receiving the service, that one is known as the WQ. That one is known as the WQ. Then that one is known as the WQ, and this is the first time we are using. If the waiting time in the queue is 4 minutes a second, pump will be open. What should be the average rate of for opening the second pump. Okay, now what is the average? So this is the fifth bit is first time we are doing that one, and all the first, second, third, fourth bit already we solve number of time. Okay, now like this, we use that formula. Okay, now number of time. Okay, first bit what you have to find out in question, he is asking to find out the average length of queue. Okay, na average length of queue. So here you have to find out average, average, average length of queue, average length of the queue. It is designated with the letter ls. Already we used this formula ls in the previous video. LQ, it is designated with the letter LQ. LQ is equal to lambda square by mu into mu minus lambda. What is the formula? Lambda square by mu into mu minus lambda. This is the formula. You know very well what is the formula for lambda. Lambda is equal to, what is the formula for lambda? Lambda value is equal to how much? Lambda square is there, so 144 square means 144. Mu value is equal to how much? 30. Then this value will become 18. If you subtract this one, you will get so how much you will get? 4 by 13. So LQ you got 4 by 15. How much you got? LQ is equal to how much? 4 by 15. After getting this value of LQ, next step you have to find out second bit. You have to find out the second bit. In second bit he is asking average length of the system. Average, average, average length of the system. What he is asking? Average length of the system, that is designated with the letter ls. That is designated with the letter ls. Ls is equal to, what is the formula for ls? Lambda by mu into lambda. In previous video also we use this formula. What is the formula? Lambda by mu into lambda. You know the value of lambda. How much the value of lambda? That is 12. This is 12, and mu value is equal to how much? 13, and lambda value is equal to 12. Then 12 by this is how much? 28. 12 by 28. If you solve this one, you will get value 2 by 3. How much you will get? 2 by 3. What is the unit? Hours. The unit is hour. Like this you will get. First one is the average length of the queue. Second one is the average length of the system. These two things you have to find out. After getting these two things, next step, third step, you have to find out the third step. Third step is average time spent in the petrol pump. Average, 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 time, time spent. Average time, waiting time spent, spend, spend in the petrol pump, petrol, petrol. Average time spent in the petrol pump. Okay, na? Petrol pump or system, you can write as the system also, both are same. Average time spent in the petrol pump. What is the formula for that? ls, ws. Ws is designated with the letter ws. Ws is equal to 1 by mu minus lambda. That is 1 by mu value is equal to how much? 30. Lambda value is equal to how much? 12. So 1 by how much you will get here? 22. How much you will get here? 22. This is the value for 22. So 1 by 22. What is the value here? 1 by 22. 1 by 22. Lambda 18. 1 by 18. This is 30 minus 12. So this one is the 18. So this one is also 18. So answer, final answer is 1 by 18. The answer should be in hours. The answer should be in hours. 1 by 18. The answer should be in hours. If you want to convert in minutes, you can convert. So this one is given 1 by 18. If you want to convert in minutes, it will be somewhat 3.33 minutes. What is the value? 3.33 minutes. Next, fourth bit. Okay, now fourth bit is asking to find out average waiting time of customer, average waiting time of customer in the queue. Average waiting time of customer in the queue. What is the formula? Average waiting time, it is designated with the letter WQ. It is designated with the letter WQ. The formula is somewhat like this: lambda by mu into mu minus lambda. Okay, na? So here you have to substitute the value. Lambda value you know how much, that is 12, and mu value also you know how much, that is 30. Then after that lambda value is equal to 30 minus this is 12. 30 minus how much? 12. If you solve this one, finally you will get like this answer: 1 by 4 5 hours. How much it is given? 1 by 4 5 hours. and the last bit, okay na, after getting this average waiting time of the customer in the queue, last bit, fifth bit, the bit name is the fifth bit to open. First time we are doing this last bit to open second pump, okay na, to open the second pump, to open the second pump. What is the formula? That is indicated by WQ dash. There is a lot of between WQ and WQ dash. When we call as a WQ, if average waiting is there, that one we call as a WQ. To second pump open, that one is known as the WQ dash. The formula is somewhat different is there, that is WQ dash. WQ dash is equal to lambda dash by mu into 1 minus lambda dash, okay na, lambda dash by mu into 1 minus lambda dash. So here you have to substitute the value. So like this you have to substitute the value 1 by 15, where you have to substitute here 1 by 15 is equal to lambda dash, only you have to find out lambda dash by lambda is equal to 30, then 30 minus this is the lambda dash. This 15 is given in your question. If you solve this one, you will get the value of lambda dash. What you will get? You will get the value of lambda dash. Lambda dash is equal to 20 per hour. What is given here? 20 per hour. So whenever like this question is given, so in that is what is given as see here. If the waiting time in the queue is 4 minutes and second pump will be open, what should be the arrival rate for the opening second pump? For second pump, this is the formula. To open the second pump, WQ dash is equal to lambda dash by mu into 1 minus lambda dash. WQ dash is 1 by 15, lambda dash write down as it is, mu is 30. Then how much is this? Is mu value. This one is the mu value, mu minus 1 minus lambda. So how much you will get? Like this you will get mu minus 1 dash is equal to, if you substitute you will get the lambda dash, okay na. Like this you have to find out. So first is the first bit, what you have to find out, average length of the quenching, that is designated with the letter LQ. Next one is the average length of the system, that is designated with the letter LS. Next one, what you have to find out, average time spent by the petrol pump, that is designated with the letter WS, 1 by mu into this. Then average time taken by the customer in the queue, that is WQ, that is lambda by mu into mu minus lambda. Then to open the second pump, what is the formula? WQ lambda dash by mu into mu minus mu dash. This is the formula for finding the lambda dash. With the help of this you can find out the anything. So you have to remember the 11 formulas. Depending upon that 11 formulas you can solve the any problem whenever it is given like this.